Hello, welcome to Pop Along RC. I'm Carl, this is Mark, and today, what are we doing today, boss?
Well, can the camera see me behind this thing?
No. You're going to have to
Right.
rethink this, boss.
Right, so we got given a box. Can I move the box and I'll carry on?
It is a big box.
This is a massive box and there's loads of things in it. I haven't even shown you what's in this yet.
Who gave you the box?
You know, old Steve.
Precious Steve? Precious?
Not Precious Steve. He's the guy who does all the old Predators and that. Not him. No.
Orangutan Steve?
No, I haven't seen him for ages. He's still at the zoo.
Ginger Steve?
Nah, don't like him.
Do you not like
It's not
Ginger
him.
Steve?
It's not Ginger Steve. Go on, have another guess.
Stinky Steve?
No, last time I saw him, I couldn't be in the same room. He stinks, that one. Not him. Have another guess. Go on.
It's not.
Yeah, it's
Steve?
yeah, Steve. You know
Steve.
RC Steve, the guy that. Can I move this box, please?
Come on then.
Right, that's better. I moved it. Right, in this box here,
Yeah.
RC Steve, who gave us that, he's given me this box and there's things in it.
Have you looked in it yet?
He said there's something in there for us, but he wants us to build his dream car. His dream car. It's all in it. It's not ours. We got to build it, blog it, video
Use it, test it,
use
run
it,
it.
test it, keep it for a little while, and then we give it back as a thank you for giving us that.
This.
But he did say there's something in there for me. Do you want to see it?
There's something in there for you?
Yep.
What about me?
No, there's nothing in there for you. Well, you got to paint his body shell for him. I told him you'd do it. Do you want to see it?
I've got to hurry up then.
All right. First of all, okay. Right, I'm not going to show you the brand new car yet. I'm going to show you what he's put in here for us to have a little look at and a little test at. All right, that's the first car there.
Oh, do you know what?
Have a look at that. Have a look at that.
I've actually seen this before because RC Steve does actually go to the mill end track, and this is a Kyosho Beetle.
Yeah, and that thing is absolutely rapid, isn't it?
It is.
Now, he's not letting us have that. That's his car, but we can have a little go at it, yeah?
That is really cool. Do you know what? I really do like the engineering. Look at the detail on those. It's a lovely car.
Yeah.
I think these are about, I reckon they're about 300 quid for this chassis.
Yeah, possibly. It does look old school. It does look old
It
school.
is. Like, motors way out the back.
Le Mans motor, old school. It's an old school,
Yeah,
new school.
Soft those tyres are as well.
That's a 15.5 turn. That's weird, ain't it?
Kyosho motor.
Anyway, that's not the only thing, because he's before I show you guys the brand new car in here, there's something else. He's given us this next thing. He said you can have it.
You can have
well,
it.
actually, he's given it to me because you've already got one of these.
I've already got one.
Yeah. He's given me. I'll give you a clue. In fact, I won't pull it all out. Yes. He's given us a lunchbox. So that's ours to put together. I'm going to move that, but it's not worth getting it out because we all know what. Not many people have seen my lunchbox, but we all know what a lunchbox looks like. No. This is what I wanted to show you. So in this box here.
Cool. That's a little box.
This is a little box. So in this box here, this is where it starts to get interesting. So RC Steve in this box has given us one of those Hobby Wing ESC.
And do you know what? That's 120 amp ESC, brushless, anodised blue.
Nice, isn't it? But that's not the
looking
only
at
thing.
it.
That
That's
he
nice.
wants this to be pucker. He wants this to be his pride and joy. So we've got to take our time on this. He won't be getting it back.
Perfection.
I was just about
Well,
to
if
say
you're
that.
going to build it, he ain't going to get it back this year, is he?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, he will. Savox Servo.
Let's have a little look at that. So this is the Savox Black Edition.
Yeah.
Very nice. That's a small servo actually. That is the SC 1257
Yeah, no one
TG.
cares. No one cares.
They might do.
That is a basic Sanwa radio, right?
It is the MX6. I've got one of these.
A brand new LiPo, right? 2 receivers to go with said radio. Batteries. But look at this. Le Mans 240 gold brushless. How nice is that?
That is actually...
Should we take it out of the box? Oh, take it out of the box. Show everybody how nice.
Get me old bendy scissors out. Am I allowed to damage the box?
Try not to. Do you know what though? We haven't even seen the car yet. I don't even know what car it is.
Do you know? Well, I'm guessing, right?
Go on, what are you guessing?
I'm guessing. Now, I'm taking an educated guess here.
Yeah.
Kyosho Beetle. Kyosho Le Mans motor. I reckon
it could be a Kyosho car, couldn't it?
It
But
could.
which car is it?
I reckon it is...
Okay, have a look at... Ready? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. We can't show these guys this.
That's so nice.
Come on. Let's show them, shall we? Look at that. It seems a crime to even put solder on that. That is an absolute thing of beauty, that is. 8.5 turn.
It says 13.5 on there.
Oh yeah. 13.5 turn motor.
That is beautiful.
It's nice, isn't it?
You're getting your fingerprints all over it though, boss.
Yeah.
Behave yourself.
I hope you're showing everybody some close-ups right now of that.
What, with your fingerprints?
Yeah. So, anyway, we better get this car out because I'm intrigued. I don't know what car this is. I genuinely do not know what car this is. He said to me, "I've got a box for you. Build me my car. Take your time on it." And I said, "What car is it?" And he tapped his nose and he went and walked off. Left me with this massive
RC
box.
Steve is
RC Steve. We got some good mates, ain't we?
we have indeed.
Right, let's get this car out then. So there it is, the Optima Pro, the Kyosho Optima Pro. We have always wanted one of these on the channel, haven't we? And finally, we get to build one of these. Should we have a little look in the box?
I think we need to. Oh, Mark. I'm excited, boss. It's still sealed and everything.
I know, he trusts us, don't he? He's a good lad, that.
Oh, do you know what? I don't think these people need to be seeing my face right now. I'm going to change the camera angle so you can unbox this because that is.
I don't want to touch it.
It needs to go that way round.
I forgot how nice their stuff was.
And I'm going to move the camera.
So look at that. This is absolutely. I mean, I look at this and I think I don't want to open it, but we're going to have to open it just to have a look what we've got. But I'm not going to obviously take these bits out now. We're going to leave that there. There's a little box for the tyres. Look at that. Little box for the tyres. Yeah, they feel good. Body shell. There you go. I'm going to leave that with you. I'm going to leave that here. Is that alright? Because you're going to do that, aren't you? Right. Let's have a little butcher's under here. See what we've got. Okay, so obviously, I like the way they use. It's a good use of space in it. The presentation really is quite nice. Turbo. Ah, I see. There's. Okay, that's for a different model. Right, what we got in here? Oh man, bags upon bags of stuff here. You got your oils, your fluids, battery straps. More bits, diff bits by the look of it there. Diff grease, dog bones, inserts for tyres and things like that. Nothing majorly interesting really, it's just you know, bits of a car. Got this one here, shock bodies, or shock cases as it says on there. We've got front skid plate there, underguard, the chassis sides and whatnot, and rear plate there. All really nicely machined, but you know, it's Kyosho. What do you expect? It's good stuff, isn't it? It's good stuff. The last time I unboxed a Kyosho was when I was a wee little boy, and it was my Kyosho Raider 2-wheel drive beast. It was. What we got here? Loads of plastic. So these are your plastic bits. It even says it on there. Plastic and plastic. So there you go. Again, I'm not really going to get it out and bore you with that. So we've got those there. You know, I know a lot of people who don't throw away their boxes, and you know what, you can see why. Look at all of this here, all the graphics there. In actual fact, it shows you how to lay the whole car out there, which is really, really good. The receiver and the switches and bits and pieces. That's really, really nice. I do love what they do. I don't think it's really changed over the years. It's just that we're not used to seeing it because a lot of kits don't do nice things like this. So Kyosho, very nice, well done. It looks good. We have got the all-important manual here and the stickers that are on the back. Now, that is a very old school colour scheme right there. The brown and the orange reminds me of my nan's curtains from many years ago. Beautiful. But there you go. So that is RC Steve's Optima, which I'm going to get building soon, and hopefully we will get this car on the channel, racing around, jumping and doing all the things it should be doing.